Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you while we are driving in the road how this steering wheel turn according to the road condition. Maybe you have to take right turn, you have to take left turn, maybe you need to take U-turn. According to that, how much we need to turn. After turning, how we should bring back to the straight position while we are driving in the straight road. Let's look this video. You will understand how to be a good driver, how to be a perfect driver while driving. Okay, now I am going to drive car in this road. Let me go through this. So now I need to take now see what happened. Now I merge to the main road. Now after merging to the main road, now I bring back my steering wheel is straight. Now my steering wheel turning straight. Since this is a straight road, I have to go straight. Let me take right turn from this. I will turn on indicator. Let me take right turn. See how I am turning steering wheel. This much I turn. Now look, it's just more than half. Now it's turning. Now I have to bring back again straight. Now steering wheel is straight. Now we have to continue. Now here again T junction. Let me take left. Now I am turning on steering indicator. Okay, I am taking bend, left bend. Okay, let me turn left like this. Look. Okay, now see, fully one turn I turn. Now completed. I will bring back to again straight. Now I am turning straight. Let me take U-turn from here. Let me see. Now I am making like this. Let me take full U-turn. Can you see it? I turn steering wheel fully. Now I take U-turn. Can you see? Okay, let me bring back again. If I am not turning back again to the straight, my car always turning. I have to make sure I have to bring back again straight position. Now let me turn right here. See how much I am turning. Look, just only half, little more than half. Now again I have to bring back straight. Look, now steering wheel is straight. Now let's turn here left. Now turn on indicator. I have to make sure here in the main road. Okay, let me turn now. Look, exactly around half full one turn. Okay, now again once I finish complete turning, I have to bring back my car to the straight. Now car is straight. Okay, now let's go again. Let me turn right here again. I turn on indicator. Look, I just check here. Look, just more than just only 3/4 turn. Now it's complete. Now I have to bring back again straight position. Right, I hope this video will help you to understand how much we have to turn this steering while turning left, right, or while taking U-turn in the main road. So please stay with me. I will bring another important video in my next episode. So if you have any question, if you have any suggestion, if you need any specific thing to learn from me, please comment below. I will help you to each and every question. I will reply to each and every comment. See you again.